Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video we will be discussing the second part of the strength of material questions. Okay, we have already uploaded the first part. You can check out the first part from the link given in the description box, also from the information which is showing in your right hand top corner. Okay, so here again we will be solving the previous year questions which have come. This is for your technical part, and we will be covering the civil engineering part here. Okay, we have already uploaded your survey engineering, highway engineering, fluid mechanics, and now we are covering the strength of material part. Okay, we have given the link for this playlist in the description below, so do check out. So first question ki diya ase, a simply supported beam of length 4 meter carries a uniformly distributed load of 10 kilonewton per meter throughout the length. Okay, so the bending moment at a distance of 1 meter from the support. Okay, so we are required to calculate the bending moment at 1 meter from the support. ठीक है, आमी diagram to draw কৰি লওঁ। আমাক কি কৈছে simply supported beam হয়, so we will draw a simply supported beam. Okay, so this is our simply supported beam with two supports, say A and B, দুটা support আছে। ঠিক আছে, these are the support reactions. Our length kiman koise mok, the length is 4 meter with a UDL of, the length is 4 meter and ki diya ase UDL diya ase, UDL kiman diya ase 10 kilonewton per meter, and I am to calculate the bending moment, say at section XX, which is at a distance of 1 meter from the support. ঠিক আছে, প্রথমতে আমি have to calculate the reactions. Okay, so let the reactions be RA at support A and RB support B. So আমি কি করি, first we will take the equilibrium equation y equals to 0. f of y equals to 0 মানে কি, upward forces, whatever the upward forces should be equal to the all the downward forces. Upward force কি আছে, ইয়াত কোৱা RA and RB is your upward force, tar mane RA plus RB should be equals to what, the downward force. Downward force ki ek kori ase koa, UDL ase kiman meter karone ase 4 meter karone, total load kiman hoy jabo, total load will be what, 10 into 4, 40 kilonewton hoy jabo. ঠিক আছে, I hope this is clear. So it should be equals to what, 40 kilonewton. And now we will take moment about point A. ঠিক আছে, we will take the moment of forces about point A, তার মানে কি করিম, we will take the moment at point A. ঠিক আছে, clockwise moment equal to anti-clockwise moment. A supportot ললে R এর moment কিমান হ'ব, since there is no perpendicular distance it will be RA into 0. ঠিক আছে, আৰু A2 karone moment kiman hobo, 0.8. RB is going in this direction, and what is the perpendicular distance, 4 meter, and kuntu direction at ghuribo, it will be anti-clockwise, so negative RB into 4. Aru the 40 kilonewton will act at the midpoint. ঠিক আছে, A and B, midpoint mane from A support kiman distance hobo, 2 meter, and from here it is again 2 meter. ঠিক আছে, সো তার মুভমেন্ট কিমান হ'ব, 40 into 2, আৰু ডাইরেকশন কোনটো, in this direction, so clockwise direction, so প্লাস লম, তাৰ মানে প্লাস 40 into 2 equals to কি 0. ঠিক আছে, so RA equals to 0 হৈ গল, RB equals to কি হৈ যাব কোৱা, 40 into 2 divided by 4, so it will be 20 kilonewton. Since RA is 20 kilonewton, আমি যদি equation number 1 দিও ইয়াক, ঠিক আছে, we will put this value in equation 1. Now equation 1 will imply what, RA will be equals to what, 40 minus RB, তার মানে 40 minus 20 equals to 20 kilonewton. ঠিক আছে, so RA and RB I know it's 20. Okay, so again let us draw the diagram. কি গম পালো আমি, this is my simply supported beam, ইয়াত কিমান reaction আহি আছে 20 kilonewton, ইয়াত কিমান reaction আহি আছে 20 kilonewton. ঠিক আছে, and UDL দিয়া আছে মোক 10 kilonewton per meter ওলাব কত দিছে মোক মোমেন্ট at a distance of কিমান মিটাৰ 1 meter ঠিক আছে that mean name it as xx so what will be the moment on the section xx কিমান হ'ব মোমেন্ট কোৱা মোমেন্ট ললে কি কৰিম we will take only the left hand side forces left hand side ত যি ফোর্স আছে আমি অকল তাক লম so left side ত কি ফোর্স আছে first 20 kilonewton force to আছে এই সেকশনৰ পৰা আমি মোমেন্ট লম from here okay so 20 into কি হ'ব perpendicular distance is 1 meter okay and this is your clockwise direction so positive next কি আছে এই লোড টু আছে এই লোড টু ইন্টেন্সিটি কিমান দি আছে 10 kilonewton per meter so 1 মিটাৰৰ কাৰণে কিমান হ'ব minus 10 into 1 this is the load loader moment to correct কৰিব সোৱা এটো a হয় এখিনি মই কিমান কৈছো 1 মিটাৰ বুলি কৈছো ঠিক আছে total load কিমান হ'ব 10 into 1 মানে 10 kilonewton which will be acting at a distance of 0.5 ঠিক আছে so into 0.5 okay so কিমান হ'ব 20 minus 10 into 0.5 মানে 5 which will be equals to 15 unit ki kilonewton meter so this will be your correct answer I hope তোমালোকে বুজিছা so এটা কথা মত কৰিবা 20 kilonewton তোমালোকে যে RA RB উলাইছা যদি ইকুয়াল লোডিং থাকে লোডিং টু যদি ইউনিফর্ম হয় then this two values will be always equal total load to laba total load কিমান পাইছিলো আমি 40 half কৰি দিবা ইয়াত 20 ইয়াত 20 ঠিক আছে so the correct option will be your 15 kilonewton per meter okay so let us see the next question so aki dia ase the maximum bending moment for a simply supported beam of length L subjected to uniformly distributed load okay so ki ulabo dise we are asked to calculate the maximum bending moment ঠিক আছে so this is my beam so this is support A support B support reaction ki hobo RA and support reaction RB ki koise uniformly distributed load ase let us consider the uniformly distributed W kilonewton per meter ke ase aru length kiman koise capital L lulu ami ঠিক আছে so what will be the total load to kiman hobo total load will be W into L and moi ki koisilu since it is a uniformly distributed load uniform load hoy so the total load can be divided between the two tar mane reaction ki ahibo you can also calculate the reaction but it is easy WL ahisile total load kiman hobo total hobo small w into capital L this is the total load which will be equally taken by the two supports tar mane WL by 2 ঠিক আছে and the UDL is there so আমি চাও এটা bending moment diagram to আমি কেনেকে উলাম তাৰ okay ভালকে আমি diagram to draw কৰি লম আগতে okay so ইয়াত কিমান reaction আহি আছে WL by 2 and ইয়াত কিমান reaction আহি আছে WL by 2 and there is a UDL ঠিক আছে কিমান UDL W kilonewton per meter ঠিক আছে let us first take a section xx which is at a distance of x from support A বুলি কৈ দিও আমি this is support B ঠিক আছে আমি ইয়াত diagram টো এনেকে draw কৰি লম first আমি কি কৰিম we will try to calculate the equation কি হ'ব কোৱা x ৰ moment at x section xx কি হ'ব from here we will take the moment first load to কি আছে WL by 2 WL by 2 into tar perpendicular distance kiman x this will be the moment ঠিক আছে this is clockwise aru ekhini load or karone ahibo ei load to kiman minus w into x distance or karone ase aru unit load kiman w ঠিক আছে w into x will be the total load aru tar cg distance code lie koribo sorry ঠিক আছে এটো মোৰ বিম WL by 2 ইয়াৰ এই লোড টু কিমান আহিব W into x ঠিক আছে কিমান ডিসটেন্সত হ'ব টোটাল টু কিমান আছিল x তাৰ আধা ট্যাগ কৰিব তাৰ মানে খিনি কি হ'ব x by 2 ঠিক আছে সো ইনটু কি হৈ যাব ইয়াত x by 2 ওকে সো সো আইতে কিমান হৈ গল WLX by 2 minus w x square by 2. This is my general equation. Itia I will take some points. Say C is the midpoint. ठीक है सर, C is my midpoint. C is my midpoint माने किमान होगा इटू L by 2 होगा. This will be L by 2. Okay, so let me calculate the moment at point A. Point 8 की होगा, x will be equals to what? X will be equals to 0 because we are calculating x from here. আমি section distance কিমান লৈছিলো x কৰ পৰা লৈছিলো support A পৰা, তো support 8 x ৰ কিমান হ'ব value 0. so ইয়াত put কৰি দিয়া, তাৰ মানে 0 হৈ যাব moment at A. ঠিক আছে, আমি এতিয়া bending moment diagram to draw কৰিম. This is my A point, this is my B point. Again at moment at B চোৱা কি হ'ব, moment at B কি হ'ব, x equal to কিমান হ'ব, x will be equal to total length, so x will be equal to L at B. so put কৰা ইয়াতে w into L, x ৰ জাগাত কি বহাম L by 2 minus w into L square by 2. WL square by 2 WL square by 2 will be equals to 0. তাৰ মানে ইয়াতো bending moment 0, ইয়াতো bending moment 0. so আমি এটা মাজৰ পইণ্টত চাই লওঁ c কিমান হ'ব. m at c, x equal to কিমান হ'ব c, x equal to L by 2 নহ'ব জানো ইয়ালৈকে, হয়, so x equal to L by 2. put কৰি দিওঁ w L into L by 2, ইয়াতো L by 2 minus w L by 2 whole square by 2. ঠিক আছে, calculate this, you will get the value of WL square by 8. তাৰ মানে ইয়াত কিমান value আহি আছে, WL square by 8, which is the maximum bending moment. ঠিক আছে, this will be my maximum bending moment. and join কেনেকৈ কৰিম, straight line join কৰিম জানো, নহয়, because the equation is parabolic, x square আছে নাই, so you have to join by parabolic line. and what to key moment হয়, it is sagging moment, so it is positive. ঠিক আছে, it will be positive bending moment. এই bending moment to maximum হয় নে নহয় আমি কেনেকৈ গম পাম, we will differentiate this value and we will maximum minimum আমি কেনেকৈ ওলাও, we have to differentiate the value. mx equal to কি পাইছিলো আমি, w L square by 2, sorry, mx equal to কিমান পাইছো আমি, mx is equals to w Lx by 2 minus w x square by 2. okay, if we differentiate this value with respect to x and equate it with 0, then we will get the maximum value of x for which the we will get the value of x for which the bending moment is maximum. ঠিক আছে, differentiate কৰিছো dd x of wlx by 2 minus ddx of wx square by 2 equals to 0. so কিমান হ'ব, wl by 2 is constant, ddx of x is 1, okay, minus w by 2 is constant, ddx of x square is 2x, will be equals to what, 0. 2 cancel out, wl by 2 will be equals to what, wx, w cancel out, so x will be equals to what, L by 2. so L by 2 কি হ'ব, the maximum bending moment will occur. and আমি কিমান পাইছো, maximum bending moment which is equals to WL square by 8. ঠিক আছে, so what will be the answer, the answer will be WL square by 8 at where, at mid span. ঠিক আছে, and this is clear from the diagram also. এই diagramটো তোমালোকে ডাইৰেক্ট মনত কৰি ল'বা, it will be helpful. ঠিক আছে, bending moment diagramবোৰ সদায় মনত থাকিব লাগে. okay, okay, so the next question, deflection of free end of a cantilever having a point load at the free end is, okay, so there is a cantilever beam, this is a cantilever beam, right, and a point load is acting at the free end. কি বুলি কৈছে, point load is acting at the free end, say w is the point load and length of the beam is given L, right, and the support B A and free end B B. ঠিক আছে, this is my beam. সুধিছে কি, I am required to calculate the deflections at the free end. So beam to keneke deflect koribo, beam will deflect in somewhat this, okay, karon yat ki hai, this is a fixed beam, no, so fixed beam yat ki ho, there will be no deflection at point A, and at free end kiman deflection hobo, say del B. This is my deflection at free end, thik ase. So we can solve this by using the bending moment diagram also, okay. Moment area method ore ami tak solve korile easy hoy, moment area method. So I will show you the solution also, okay. So moment area method ami kenake koru, this is my beam, this is the point load, thik ase, this is the length. So here bending moment diagram to kenuka hobo, bending moment will be 0 here and it will be maximum at the support, thik ase, and kiman bending moment at the support hobo, W into L. This is the bending moment diagram, it is negative hogging, thik ase. So bending moment diagram ot ami ki koru, we know the difference, say this is B, this is A, thik ase. We know the difference in deflection at 2 points, between 2 points, difference in deflection between 2 points will be equal to the moment of area of M by EI diagram between the 2 points, thik ase. This is my bending moment, WL by W into L, thik ase. M by EI diagram to ki hobo, just divided with EI, WL by EI hoy jabo etu, thik ase. The shape will be same, thik ase. This is my A, this is my B. So deflection at A moi ki jano, it is 0, so ki ahi jabo, del B ahi jabo okol, will be equals to what, moment of area. tar mane ki korim, I have to calculate this area and we have to take moment of this area. So what will be the area, triangle hoy, so half into base kiman, base is nothing but L, half into L into what is the perpendicular distance, WL by EI, thik ase. tar mane ki hoy jabo, WL square by 2EI. Now what will be its moment, moment kiman hobo, triangular jano ami kiman, CG kot lie kore at this point say, and it is at a distance of L by 3 from this support and 2L by 3 from this support, thik ase. So moment ki hoy jabo, load kiman, WL square by 2EI into perpendicular distance kiman hobo, 2L by 3, thik ase. So 2 will get cancel out, WL cube upon 3EI. So kiman hobo, WL cube upon 3EI. This is the deflection at B, thik ase. Etu ama khudisile free end deflection kiman hobo, tar mane B deflection kiman hobo. So answer WL cube by 3EI. Option D will be the correct option. I hope tumalage bujisa, thik ase. So next question saw ami. So aki this is next question. A steel wire of 20 mm diameter is bent into a circular shape of 10 meter radius. If E is the Young's modulus of elasticity, then maximum stress induced in the wire is, thik ase. Diameter dia ase ama kiman, 20 mm, bent into a circular shape of radius kiman dia ase ama 10 meter radius, thik ase. Tumalage bhabisa diameter or radius duta ki dile, actually mane ki, say this is my circular pipe, circular pipe or radius kiman dia ase muk 10 mm, sorry 20 mm, aru bent into a ki koise, bent into a circular shape, tar mane yar radius muk kiman dia ase 10 meter, enake bend korise right tak. So bend kora radius to kiman 10 meter, thik ase. This will be the shape, and E is the Young's modulus of elasticity. E kiman dia ase 2 into 10 raised to the power 5 Newton per mm square, okay. And I am asked to calculate the maximum shear stress, maximum stress induced in the wire, okay. So from, I know from simple bending theory, you have to remember this relationship. M by I equals to E by R equals to stress by Y. M is the moment, I is the inertia, E is the Young's modulus elasticity, R is the radius, sigma is the stress, Y is your distance from the neutral axis. ठीक है सर. So हमारे लगे कि sigma. So sigma will be equals to what? E Y upon R. ठीक है सर. Now we are asked to calculate sigma max. So this is the relationship. Sigma max कितना होगा? Sigma max होगा कितना? E और R is constant when Y is max. ठीक है सर. ये relationship तो जुड़ी बुझी पाइसा. Now it is easy to calculate. ठीक है सर. So okay. So এইটো মোৰ circular pipe ডাল আছিল. ঠিক আছে. This is the neutral axis. হয়. Y মই কি কৈছো কোৰ পৰা ক্যালকুলেট কৰো from the neutral axis. Y value maximum কেতিয়া হ'ব? When it will be equals to the radius. Y কিমান লৈকে maximum হ'ব পাৰে? ইয়াৰ পৰা Y এখিনি হ'ব পাৰে, আকু বাহিব, বাহি maximum ক'ত হ'ব? At the wall of the pipe. তাৰ মানে Y max কেতিয়া হ'ব? At R. ঠিক আছে. So আমাক sigma max লাগে. Radius মোক কিমান দিয়া আছিল? 20 mm diameter দিয়া আছিল. Radius কিমান হ'ব? Divided by 2. তাৰ মানে 10 mm. Sigma max কি হৈ যাব? E মোক দিয়া আছে 2 into 10 to the power 5 into 10 mm divided by radius মোক দিয়া আছিল. কিমান আছিল radius? চাই লওঁ এবাৰ. 10 meter radius কৈছিল. ঠিক আছে. So 1 second. 10 meter দিয়া আছিল. So we will take it to mm. Okay. So the value comes out to be your কিমান হ'ব চোৱা ইয়াৰ cancel out kora 10 to the power 3 square thaki jabo 10 cancel tar mane 2 into 200 newton per mm square. So answer ase niki 2 into 10 raised to the power 200 newton per mm square. So A will be your correct option. ठीक है सर. Okay, so we have come to the end of the video. Thanks a lot for watching. This is the second part. In the next part we will solve the remaining questions. Not, I think only 5 to 6 questions are remaining, so we will cover the entire strength of materials part. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching. Do like the video if you liked it, share the video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot from Team CSL. Thank you.